The contentious Lokpal bill may have gone into deep freeze for a while, but the opposition is still fuming over it. Both the right and left have now found a new punching bag. Rajya Sabha Chairman Hamid Ansari for adjourning the House that left the bill in limbo.
आज और मीडिया की नई नई इख्तराआत और तजारती मखलूजात के नतीजे में सहाफत, ताल्लुकात आमा, इश्तहारात के कारोबार और तफरीह के बीच हद फासिल मिट गई।
You can shout and nobody is hurt. What ruling can I give in this noise? House is adjourned. Sara Rai.
Vice President and Chairman of Rajya Sabha dishing out some advice after adjourning Rajya Sabha on the 29th of December that sent the Lokpal bill into deep freeze. The adjournment enraged the opposition, particularly the BJP, so much that they accused the government of choreographing the fiasco to avoid voting on the bill. A day later, they put the Rajya Sabha chairman in their line of fire. The BJP insisted that Ansari could have extended the session in deference to the sense of the House.
मैंने उनको अंत में कहा कि I beseech you, you are the guardian custodian of this house. और इसलिए जब सदन के सदस्य बहुमत में वोट डालना चाहते हैं, सारी रात बैठना चाहते हैं, इसलिए एक मैनेज डिस्टर्बेंस के आधार पर इसको मत अडजर्न कीजिए। तो हमने ये उनको रिक्वेस्ट की। The chairman thought otherwise.
The CPM didn't mince words either, with Sitaram Yechuri accusing Ansari of partisan behavior. And he also hammered away at his charge that the government orchestrated the entire fiasco.
A number of times, the time was being reminded. In the later half of the day, if you notice, very liberally time was being given. So it was asked also. He said, "Sir, ये कैसे हो रहा है? आप इतना time कहाँ ले?" Then there was only a very beatific smile from the chair.
And it wasn't only the opposition which was gunning for Ansari. Team Anna also faulted the Rajya Sabha chairman for abruptly adjourning the House, sine die without a vote on the Lokpal bill.
Majority कल हाउस को कंटिन्यू करना चाहती थी। जो चलाता है उसको हाउस की सेंस के हिसाब से हाउस चलाना होता है और रूलिंग पार्टी ने उसको वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बनाया है, इसको नहीं देखना होता।
But Ansari found a semblance of defense in the Parliament rule book that says the ultimate decision to extend the session lies with the government.
Actually, the sittings of the House are extended. When a proposal comes before the Business Advisory Committee, then it goes to the House as a recommendation, and the House agrees or approves. It becomes effective when the sittings are extended. But the government has to take a decision about it.
But in the avalanche of anger from the opposition, it seems improbable that neither Ansari nor the government will quite be able to shrug off accusations of foul play that easily. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.